The sum of the first 10 terms of an arithmetic series is 120. And the sum of the first 20 terms is 840. Find the sum of the first 30 terms. So we're going to need to use our formula, our series formula that's given to us in the formula tables. Sn equals n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. The n represents the number of terms, the a represents the first term, and the d represents the difference. So we will use the information given to write down two equations in a and d. So two equations in terms of a and d. A being the first term, d being the difference. So for the given series, let a be the first term, common difference be d. So we were told that the sum of the first 10 terms of an arithmetic series is 120. So that's going to be S10 is equal to 120. So we use our formula. We swap the n for 10. The a stays as it is because we don't know what it is. The d stays as it is because we don't know what it is. N minus 1 is going to be 10 minus 1, which is going to be 9, so it's 9d, and that's equal to 120. So I want to have my a term and my d term on the left of my equal sign, and all my numbers on the right of my equal sign. So this means 10 over 2 multiplied by 2a plus 9d. So to get rid of the 10 over 2, I need to divide both sides by that. So it's going to be 120 divided by 10 over 2, which is the same thing as 120 divided by 5, which gives me 24. So now I have the terms with a and d on the left, and I have my number on the right. Then I was told that the sum of the first 20 terms is 840. So I get S20 equals 840. Again, I sub into this formula. I swap the n for 20 because I've got S20. The 2a stays as it is. N minus 1 is going to be 20 minus 1, which is going to be 19 times d, which is 19d. The d stays as it is. And that's equal to 840. Just as I did up here, I'm going to divide what's on the right-hand side by what's stuck in front of my bracket. So 20 divided by 2 is really 10, and 840 divided by 10 is 84. So I have the a and d terms on the left and the numbers on the right. So then I'm going to solve simultaneously. 2a plus 9d equals 24, and 2a plus 19d equals 24. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the top line by minus 1, or just change the signs. So 2a becomes minus 2a, 9d becomes minus 9d, 24 becomes minus 24. So what I did was I just multiplied that top line by minus 1. Now minus 2a plus 2a will cancel out. Minus 9d plus 19d is 10d. Minus 24 plus 84 is 60. And then 60 divided by 10 is 6. So d is 6. The common difference is 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that equation there at the top. So 2a plus 9d equals 24. But I could have used any of the equations really. And I'm going to swap the d for 6. So I get 2a plus 9 times 6 equals 24. 9 times 6 is 54. 24 minus 54 is minus 30. And minus 30 divided by 2 is minus 15. So a is minus 15. So the first term is minus 15. The difference is 6. And in the last part of the question, I'm asked to find the sum of the first 30 terms. So I use my formula again to find S30. So S30 is going to be 30 over 2 times 2 times minus 15, because a is minus 15, plus n minus 1, which is 30 minus 1, which is 29, times 6, which was the difference. 30 over 2 is 15. 2 by minus 15 is minus 30. 29 by 6 is 174. Add these together, multiply by 15 to get 2,160. So the sum of the first 30 terms is 2,160.